We'll guide you through how to use Trello to organize your tasks efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Trello website. Sign in with your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace dashboard. To get started, you need to create a board, which acts as a project. Click on the Create New Board button, give your board a name, and choose a background color or image to personalize it. After creating a board, you can start adding lists. Lists in Trello represent different stages of your workflow, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Click on Add a List and type the name of your list to set it up. Once your lists are ready, you can add cards to each list. Cards represent individual tasks or items that need to be completed. Click Add a card under any list and give it a title. You can click on the card to add more details like descriptions, due dates, attachments, and even assign members if you're working in a team. If you need more organization, you can use labels to categorize your cards by color, making it easy to see what's important at a glance. To further enhance your workflow, Trello offers power-ups, which are integrations with other apps like Google Drive or Slack. You can enable power-ups by going to the menu on the right side of the board and clicking on Power-ups. Choose the ones that best fit your needs. Finally, don't forget to regularly update your cards and move them between lists as tasks progress. This will keep your board current and reflective of your project's status. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.